Hi guys, Christy Pronto here from Adirondack Winery. Today we're going to be making a jasmine rice and pineapple salad from our barbecue kit. You can find our new barbecue kits at 80kwinery.com. Come on, let's get started. You need 2 cups of cooked and chilled jasmine rice, which I've already done here. You're going to need 3 to 4 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, a half cup of crushed pineapple, and 1 tablespoon of mayo. And I already have that measured out here. Then, once you've got that all mixed up, we'll do a little splash of Sunny Day. Let's see how this tastes here. So again, your 2 cups of your chilled jasmine rice. There. And then of course the piece de resistance, a little splash of Sunny Day. And let's mix this baby up. Now the good thing about this is if you have gone ahead and gotten our barbecue kit, this pairs nicely with the barbecue chicken. Mix that all up together. All right, and now again, you can use star fruit in here as well if you'd like, but we just went ahead with the pineapple. So again, you can find this recipe and more at 80kwinery.com.